Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll be showing you to fix this particular error. I have a screen grab of it right now. I'll place it on screen as well, where you're seeing charging not available, liquid detected. And of course, this particular error will happen with your iPhone. In cases where you got your iPhone wet, it might be that something such as liquids got splashed on it, or maybe you took a dive in a pool, or you deliberately got your device wet. For whatever reason, whenever you connect your charger, you'll see this error appear. It says charging not available, liquid has been detected in the lightning connector. Disconnect to allow the connector to dry. Charging now may damage your iPhone, and it gives you the option of emergency override and dismiss. Now of course, when this error happens guys, do not use the emergency override, as if there's actual liquid in the port, it will damage the device or your phone, as electricity and water do not mix. Alright, so in case you're having this error, this tutorial will show you exactly what to do, and you can follow these steps to fix your device 100% without damaging your device. So let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so first things first, whenever you're having this issue, all the error is saying guys is that there is moisture still within the charge port, which is quite common. Of course, you'll not be able to see it fully, but of course, here's what you can do to actually start fixing the issue. Now, in case of there is moisture in here, the first thing you're gonna do, guys, is go ahead and disconnect your charger if you haven't already. And of course, you're gonna try to get rid of the excess water inside of the port. Now, of course, there are several options. For me, I find that if I want to get water out of places, first of all, make sure that you have a firm grip on your device, and you're going to go ahead and shake your device. So if you shake firmly, what should happen is that any excess water or beads of water should fall out of your phone. And of course, that's one way of getting out the excess water. Now that alone will not help, so you'd have to take it a step further. And of course, one thing that I find that works very well, you can get some tissue paper or toilet paper. Of course, you should have this lying around in your bathroom. So simply get it. You're going to roll it up or fold it, and you're going to get it into the port. So simply get it up into the port, and of course, you're going to clean. It will not cause any damage. It can get into the very thin folds, so get it in there. What will happen is that it will absorb the excess water, especially small about water droplets. So you can actually get this inside of here. Another thing to do, guys, you can blow into the port. So you can go ahead and hold the port up to your mouth and actually blow inside of there. And then of course finish up by using a dry piece of the tissue paper to get in there and dry the port. Next, that alone won't help. So what you'll have to do is just find an area that's very open. You can open a window or so on, and you're going to put the port and expose the port, and you're going to leave this for at least 2 to 3 hours to air dry. Now, of course, in most cases, in 2 to 3 hours, it should be enough to dry out the port completely. And of course, once you connect the charger after doing this, you should find that it should fix the issue, and the error should leave by itself. Your device should start charging again. Of course, guys, that won't work in every situation, and in more severe cases, it can take a longer time to dry, up to 24 hours or entire day, and you might be down or out without your device. In other words, your device will have to rely on the built-in charge that's currently in the device from the previous charge. Now, in case of emergency, I find that wireless charging still works. I'll put a link to some wireless chargers below. So if you have a wireless charger, and I'm not saying you're supposed to buy a wireless charger, I'm just saying giving this as an option. So you might not have thought about this, but while the port is not allowed to charge to the port, wireless chargers still will work. So you can go ahead and hook up your wireless charger, and of course still charge your device. It will not damage your device, as the wireless charging uses a different connector that's in the back of the device and not the charge port, and it will not damage your phone. So that's as a workaround, just to keep the phone with some amount of charge. All right, guys, so after that, that's about 2 options that you have there. As I said before, link will be down below in case you're going to get a new charger, wireless charger. All right, so next thing you're going to do, guys, is in case that doesn't work, I want you to get some uncooked rice, meaning rice, the rice that we eat. You're going to get some uncooked ones. You're going to get a bag. You're going to fill that bag with some rice. And what you're going to do is you're going to just simply shut off your phone. You won't have use of your phone, so place it into that bag. You're gonna leave it overnight for 24 hours, and you're gonna leave it for an entire day. What's gonna happen is that the rice is good at absorbing moisture, so you're gonna submerge it into the rice, cover it in the rice. You're gonna seal the bag. What's gonna happen is that the rice is gonna suck out the excess moisture anywhere it's found in the phone, especially in the port. So make sure that you get the rice up to the port here. And what should happen is that after 24 hours, you're gonna remove the phone, and of course any moisture that was inside of the port should be gone. You can plug your phone back in again, and of course that should fix the problem. So that's a third solution, guys. And of course, if all else fails, another thing that I find that works is that you're gonna get what we call isopropanol alcohol. The purer the better. So if you have some already, great for you. So just get some bathroom tissue, and of course remember that it's much different from regular rubbing alcohol. This is not pure enough. So what's happening there is that this as in water, and it's not fully pure. It's not pure alcohol. So if you use this, it's going to cause the same moisture detected error, or it could cause damage. So do not use regular rubbing alcohol. Make sure that you get specialized isopropanol alcohol. There's some that's up to 99% plus pure. I'll put a link below for the correct one to use. Once you get that isopropanol alcohol, you can clean the port as I was showing you before, and these are just alternatives, guys. And what you're gonna do is just wet the tip. You're gonna get it in here, you're gonna clean. What's gonna do is gonna clean out the ports in here. Do not worry, the isopropanol alcohol will not damage electronics. As we said, it's pure alcohol, and it's like a spirit, so it should evaporate once finished. So once you do that and clean the port, you're gonna leave it to air dry again for 24 hours. And of course, once you do all of those, what should happen is that it should fix the issue. And of course, once you plug in back the charger once more, your phone should start charging. So that's about 4 solutions I've given. So if you have tried all of those, it should fix the issue. And of course, finally, guys, if for some reason you have done especially the rice, and you have made sure that the port is dry, there's no moisture in the port, and you're still getting the error on screen when you plug it in those cases, if you're very sure that there's no water, and remember, this is you doing this at your own risk, you can go ahead and use the override feature, but only use the override feature if you're absolutely sure that you have taken all of the precautions and you have dried the port completely and you have made sure there's no moisture. And once there's no moisture, in case it's just a hardware error, what should happen is that it should start charging. All right, guys, so if you do all of those, you should be able to fix the error on your iPhone where you're seeing charging not available, and of course the liquid be detecting error with charging not available should just disappear. All right, guys, so I hope I've covered all of the steps you can take. I've gone into detail. I've provided 4 to 5 steps that you can use to fix this. All right, guys, so as usual, it's Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips with another set of quick tips saying bye until next time. Bye, guys.